In fast-moving markets, clear visibility can make a major difference. Users need to recognize changes quickly, understand price movement, and stay aware of market direction without unnecessary complexity. PrimeAscendWay supports this with a simple and effective color-coded system. When an asset's value rises, it is shown in green. When an asset decreases, it is shown in red. This visual structure helps users identify market movement at a glance. Instead of analyzing every number individually, users can quickly understand whether an asset is gaining or declining. This makes market monitoring more intuitive, especially for users who want to follow several instruments at the same time. PrimeAscendWay also improves timing accuracy by automatically adjusting platform timestamps to the user's local time zone. This means charts, updates, transactions, market events, and contract expiration windows are displayed according to the user's location.